Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to create a simple calculator application using the Java Swing. This project will help you to understand the basic of GUI programming, even in handling the basic arithmetic operations in Java. By the end of this video, you will be able to create your own interface calculator that performs addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. This program is built using a Java Swing, which is a part of the Java standard library for building graphical user interface, that is the GUI. We will create a window with the two input boxes for number to taking the input and the four boxes for the addition, multiplication, division, and the subtraction. Corresponding operations is performed, and the result is displayed in the message dialog box. Now let's move step by step into the code. First, these three lines is used to for swing components like JFrame, JButton, JText, and JLabel. The next Java.awt is used to design element, and the Java.aw.event is used for event handling. Delete the click buttons. Next, we will define the class using the login frame that extends JFrame and implements the action listener. JFrame is the main window for our application. Action listener is interface that listens the button click events. Set title of layout will give the Windows title and set the grid layout with 5 rows and 2 columns, gaps of 10 pixel. Then we create the labels text field for two numbers by using the add label. We use the text field buttons for now. We create the four buttons: add button equals to new button for addition, and another for subtraction, another for multiplication and division. Each button is added to the JFrame linked to the same action listener using the add button dot action listener of this. This means whenever the user click a button, the program will automatically call the action performed of method. From settings, size 350, and this is a default. This we use it for setting the default closure operation. And the now comes the most important part, that action performed method. Whenever a button is clicked, this method runs automatically. Inside that, we take the input values. um then based on the button is pressed, we perform the operation. If source equals to add button, it will give the number 1 plus 2 is addition. If it is a subtraction, it will give the result of subtraction. Finally, we will result the message in a dialog box. J option pen dot show message dialog. This message result if the user types something that is not a number, the program catches the number format exception and so show that in a error message. To run this program, just compile it in Eclipse. Now we will see the window operator with two text boxes. Let me run and show this. Now here are the two labels where we can enter the number as 24 and 42. If we give the add, will perform. If we perform the addition, it will give the result of this is 66. Okay. If we perform subtraction, the minus 18. The multiplication is this. This is the division of this result. And that is the way we build the simple calculated GUI using the Java Swing. We have learned how to use the components like JFrame, JButton, JField, and how to handle the buttons, even using the action listener. You ethically by adding the features, linked input, move layouts, even in the scientific calculator. Thanks for watching.